Very healthy and warm good morning to everyone, whoever is watching my video. I, your computer science teacher from Superhouse Education Foundation, welcome you all in my next educational video of Chapter 6, Introducing Python. My dear students, in my sixth educational video, I'll cover two different subtopics and they are as follows. First, print statement using new line space character. Print statement using tab space character. So let's start learning our today's subtopic, print statement using new line space character and print statement using tab space character. So here we go. Print function. Dear students, the print function in Python is used to print a message, output that we want to pass on to the user on the output screen. The print function converts the message or an object into a string form before writing it on the screen. The print function can have multiple parameters, including separators, escape sequences to format the output. Using separator with print function. Dear students, separators are used inside the print function just to give more meaning to the statement that we want to print on the output screen. The separator between the arguments to print function in Python is space by default, which we call soft space feature, and which can be modified and can be made to any character like integer or string as per our choice. The sep parameter is used to achieve the same, and it is found only in the Python version which is above than 3.x or later. Now dear students, I'm going to explain you practically what is the use of separator in a print statement and how it will work. Now dear students, on my left hand side you can see that this window is in scripting mode, in which I have tried to demonstrate the use of separator with print function. The first line is a single line comment and the Python interpreter will not check it. Dear student, we have not studied new line space character, so that's why to give a proper line space, I have used print function without any parameter. Now, my second line is print in between the parentheses 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's see how it will run and what effect will come out. See on my right hand side exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will come on the output screen. Now after that I have written print in between the double quotes Superhouse Foundation. So it's just a statement. As it is, it will be displayed as we can see on my right hand side also. Now once again I have given one line space. After that print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we can see that I have used comma as a separator. Now this particular comma will put a space in between the two numbers like 1 space 2 space 3 space 4 and space 5. So comma operator will not be printed in the output screen Now my next statement is, in between the double quotes with comma separator, I have written super house foundation. So as I have told you, this comma will put a space in between the two strings or values. So that's why super house foundation is written on my right hand side by maintaining space in between. So once again, I have given one line space here with this print statement, and after that I have written print 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma SEP, which is separator, equals to, and within the double quotes what I want to print in between. So here 4 asterisk I have printed here. So when the output will come, as you can see that in between the two values or strings, the separator what we have taken here comes. Now keep it this very clear in your mind that after 5 what I have put here comma. Now this will not be printed after 5. The separator what we have chosen here 4 asterisks, this will not be printed after 5 because it is the last value just before defining the separator. Now moving to the next slide. Our next topic is escape sequences in Python. Dear students, the print function supports different types of escape sequences in between the messages and values. We have different types of escape sequences in Python like \n, which we call new line character. It gives a vertical space in between the two lines. Second, \t, which we call tab space, and it gives horizontal space in between the two substrings. Now using \n new line character. Students, a new line character \n is used in Python just to give a vertical space by ending a line and starting a new line. In Python, a new line character can be used with the input function and with the print function both. For example, if we type print in between the parentheses and double quotes, here I have written I love Python programming. \n, thank you. Now, when I will press the enter key, the result will come like this. I love Python programming. And now there is a change, or we can say there is a space of one line, and in the next line the rest of the line will print thank you. So you can see that this \n puts a vertical space in between the two strings which is written in the print statement. Now dear students, here one example I just want to give you about new line character space. Here I have written print in between the double quotes I am the student of computer science, and in the very next line once again I love Python programming. Now like when I'll run this program, just consider this program up to 1 and second line only. So once I'll run this program, just see how the result will come. The two print statement will print the two statements in two different lines. Now, after that, I have left a one line space in between. So for that, we can use directly print function without any argument and with escape sequence character. So we can use any one of them. So here I have used /n just to leave a one line space. And after that, I have printed the two statement within a single print statement by using /n new line character, which will give a one line space after that. So I am the student of computer science, /n, I love Python programming. So here two statements I have written within the single print statement and the result will come in two different lines. So like this way you have seen the use of /n new line character. Now moving to the next. Now here we go. Using /t tab space. Dear students, a tab space character which is indicated by /t is the reserved symbol in Python and is used for tab character, which means where we use it in our program, it creates a horizontal tab space between the two strings or character. In Python, by default, it applies 8 times horizontal spaces. For example, if I'll write print in between the parentheses and double quotes, I love Python programming /t, thank you. Now once I press this enter key, the such kind of result will come. I love Python programming. Now here a space will be maintained and then rest of the line. Thank you. So this /t, which we call tab space also, it gives a horizontal space in between the strings. Now here once again I'm giving you one example like print. I am the student of computer science. So as soon as I'll press the enter key, exactly it will be displayed on the output screen. Now once again I'm writing the same statement in different way, like in between the double quotes, I am the student of /t. Now this /t will give a horizontal space and then computer science. So once I press the enter key, the same result will come which I was talking about. Now, dear students, recap of the chapter. In Python, the print statement is used to display the output of any command on the screen, which we write in between the double quotes. We can use separator with the print function statement just to have a better look of the output that we have seen. In Python, with the print statement, we can also use escape sequence characters like /n and /t. /n, which we call new line character, is used to give vertical space in between the two lines. /t, tab space, is used to give horizontal space between the two words. Now dear students, here I am giving you one assignment in which I am giving you two programs to write. Like first program is write a program in Python to accept temperature in degrees Celsius from the user and convert it into degree Fahrenheit also display the output. Second, write a program in Python to accept length and breadth of rectangle and calculate its area and perimeter, also display the output. And dear students, if you will find any difficulty in these programs, you can ask to me when I'll come in the next session. Now, dear students, here are some extra links through which you can get some extra information. So I suggest you to just go through with these links to get some extra information. Thank you so much for being us throughout the session with me. Thank you.